Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Chase, and today we'll be talking about the brand new update 36.10 in Fortnite. Right now, let's get the video started and jump right into it. So firstly, we'll be talking about everything in the new Blitz mode that has come out in recent Fortnite update. This mode is very exclusive and it will only be here for 1 month. So we better all should play it for this time. There will be 4 weeks and 4 straight updates for this season for that mode. Week 1 will there will be mythic weapons and llama. Week 2, they will have Avatar, so including the Water Scrolls, Fire Scrolls, all of the bending scrolls that we have seen in the previous updates. Week 3 will have boss weapons like the Vampiric Blade, Chain of Hades, and week 4 is might be one of the fan favorite is the TMNT melee weapons, Nitro Fist, Typhoon Blade, Kneecapper, and more. There will be so much things to do in this update, and yeah, there's a new skin right now in the quest tab. All you gotta do is go to the quest tab and you will see there in the blitz part of the quest tab, you will see there a free skin you can get, and the only thing you need to do is reach 10 levels or get top 10 in 20 blitz matches so you can get the blitz knight outfit. And to get the blitz umbrella, you will need 3 Blitz Victory Royals. That is very easy and most of us all bought. And now let's talk about BR. BR will have a new Squid Game event launching June 27 with cosmetics and shops. So we might see some Squid Game characters and more. And there was also a new weapon right now which is the pom poms. It's a version of Hulk turning into a demon. Currently, right now, maybe the time I post this video, it is still out of the game and is not part of the game right now since a bug. So yeah. And we'll be having soon our summer event with new skins, quests, and free rewards. So that will help us and be there. And Fortnite has fixed multiple issues in Creator Island with myth extended items and more. And that's everything for the new Fortnite update. And I will see you guys all in the next one.